So right now it's Thanksgiving while I'm recording this, and I've been thinking to myself, I haven't been eating a lot of turkeys. Uh, I'm just, not a fan, but coincidentally, we eat apparently 46 million turkeys on Thanksgiving. That is a lot. I think I've been doing my part already, and I think today I'm gonna try to help the rest of our fellow Americans to do the same. So I thought I'd try to save a turkey by coding a turkey runner game. So I've been playing with Google's new Gemini 3 Pro and a lot of their upgrades. I mean, if you don't know, you're missing out if you haven't tried it. The whole state of AI. They just released this model. Pretty much, they're right. You could really build anything with this thing. And the benchmarks are incredible. Let's see, gotta zoom in here. Yeah, mathematics, scientific knowledge, the ARC test, humanities last exam. How ironic. And yeah, all these other benchmarks. So don't want to bore you guys with that. But agentic coding, and they also released their pretty much IDE. If you're probably, for people who are into AI coding, there's Cursor, and Google's pretty much entered that space. So watch out, Cursor, vibe coding, and AI Studio. That's what we're going to use today. And there's a retro game that they built here, which I'm going to show you a fun little secondary game as part of the turkey runner. And I think the big step, as I mentioned, was multimodal understanding. I jump into the studio here. So this is pretty much Google AI Studio. I think it's pretty much free, the preview. Gemini 3 Pro preview, it's free. Take advantage of it. They haven't capped it. You could pretty much do a lot of image generation, code generation. Video generation is not free. That's the only thing. And you got some pretty cool features to supercharge your app, which I do show in a separate video. So I'll link that one as well. Check that one out. And then the cool thing is with their gallery, and they have all kinds of different. We browse the gallery. You can build, again, image generators, games, go beyond generating images. So just MCP, all kinds of developer quick starts where they dive deeper into how to get started. So they really stepped up with their last release here. So I'm gonna go to games and visualization, and I messed with Gemini Run already, and that's what gave me the inspiration to do Turkey Runner. Okay, so before we pretty much use this template to make our own Turkey Runner game, let's actually check out this game. Like, man, this is amazing that they have pretty much this web game that they built using Google AI Studio. And I'm just kidding. This is, I mean, nothing new, right? We have this with mobile games, and just being able to do this. Anybody being able to code something like this with today's AI tools. Oh, I think I only got one life left. All right, it's pretty great time to be alive. You could jump or not. So yeah, you could cyber shop. Oh, didn't make it. I should have just made it. So, all right, that's pretty cool that you can make a game like this. If you haven't used, Cursor looks different, like Visual Studio Code, but I think they kind of took the look from, what was it called? Stack Blitz, Bolt.dev, Lovable. There's a lot of these other web-based AI-powered IDEs, and Google pretty much just entered the space, made their own. So this is my prompt to make the turkey runner game. So I'm gonna say, let's update this game. Let's make a turkey runner. Let's make a Thanksgiving version. All right, and let me fix that and call it turkey runner. All right. Please update the game to the specs below. Yeah, and I think let's just see what happens. So I actually haven't tested this out yet. I tested, when I was writing up the script for this video, I was testing that. I was using Google Gemini, and Google Gemini, still powered by Gemini 3 Pro, because I have the Pro plan. But I think with the free plan, you could try it out. But anyways, yeah, it was able to produce a different game. I don't think at this level. I think AI Studio, it has pretty much, you can do more with it than just regular Google Gemini. While it's doing this, let's take a little break, share a fun fact about Thanksgiving that most people might not know. I didn't know this. Thanksgiving is only a national holiday because the person that wrote Mary Had a Little Lamb, Sarah Josepha Hale, she pretty much spent decades writing to multiple presidents actually, I think for 17 years. And finally, Abraham Lincoln, after tirelessly writing, he was like, you know what, let's do it. Let's make Thanksgiving a national holiday. And, why turkey? Well, is it because, like Joey from Friends said, they're stupid, ugly, and delicious, right?
Turkeys are beautiful, intelligent animals.
No, they're not. They're ugly and stupid and delicious.
Is that why we eat them? No. We ate them because, we couldn't eat our cows. They were for milk, and the chicken for eggs. So the turkey, apparently they became the American course because they just didn't really have any other use for us. So there you have it. All right, we got some code back, a response. Let's see what it thought here. So just looking through, transforming the setting. It's amazing that when you read through these things, it's like a human, the response. Experimenting with parallax, developing game elements, expanding gameplay features, adding the pardon mode. And the pardon mode is like Super Mario when he gets the star power. And apparently there was a turkey pardon. There's a play on the turkey pardon turkeys, since we eat so much of them. That's a real thing. Update individual elements. All right, so a lot of stuff. If you use AI, you're probably not new to that, but if you haven't, yeah, AIs, they have something called thinking. And yeah, we got neon. Apparently it updated. No, it's still going through. So this is pretty much what you'll be seeing is, live UI updates going through. I'm in here often, so that's not new to me. This is actually really fast, so if it's your first time, it's a lot slower. And look, you got the diff. Oh, wow, that's awesome. You got the diff. I mean, I didn't even go through everything. Like now, earlier I didn't get to, even if I did, you wouldn't see anything. Now you get to see the code. So pretty much, it's React. That's what the TXX files are. And you got the main index HTML. And it's pretty much your traditional, broken down components, your React web app. And yeah, you could see all the files here, just like a normal IDE. And you also have other things like copying the app. You have even the version history once we changed it. I just clicked on it just to show you guys here. restore version, you know, deploy it to, or publish it to GitHub, deploy it on GCP. So, all right, there's a lot of talking here. Let's just try the game. Okay, so turkey runner, gobble gobble, avoid the farmers. Arrows to swipe to move, so you can also look like it's mobile friendly. Cool, we'll test that out. Corns and worms, the points. Scroll is pardon mode. Hold space to roll, and that's supposed to be the butter roll. Didn't put that. Let's see. Oh, okay. The turkey. We might have to change the color of turkey here. Ah, I was disappointed. Okay, nothing like. Not what I was expecting. All right, we're playing. I think it might be better to just start off fresh. Okay, I did a 2D version of this, one-shotting, and what's going on? All right, we'll give him one more shot.
Ham is great. Ham doesn't have feathers. Ham doesn't have dreams of seeing the world. But us? We're agile. We're majestic. Look at this waddle. So this Thanksgiving, eat a sandwich. Gobble.
All right, how to refresh, and let me see if I could annotate still. Darn it. Okay. I'm not sure if we could annotate anymore. All right, I'm just gonna type this out here. Let's just try it. I'm not able to see pardon scroll. Okay, so let's see. It says it took a minute, a minute, and it pretty much fixed a couple things with the canvas approach, the sprite visibility. Let's see if that actually fixed it. All right, hey, we're looking better. Looking better, but still, darn it. I really want to fix this here. Make opposite. Yeah, let's see. What's going on here? So that needs to work. And what did I say earlier? All right, well, let's just see. We'll try one more time here, guys.
3 days later.
And now we got something that looks much better. Got farmers, tractors. We're not trying to get eaten, right, for Thanksgiving. Oh, get the scroll. We got the butter roll now. Ooh, let's go. Can't touch me. Oh yeah, we're going. We're not gonna get eaten for Thanksgiving ever again. Okay. So we're gonna say, awesome job. I'm gonna be nice to the AI. Also add double jump effect. And pardon and play. Alright, let's see. Alright, I think we got a more polished version after that last prompt. I actually put in a couple more prompts, but yeah, we got the score counting, high score tracking. Obviously, there's a lot more I could do with this game. We can add some music, and what else we could do? Actually, the menu, adding a pause. Lots you could do. Also added a what's it called, status on the pardon scroll. Turkey's getting a pardon apparently. Presidential pardon. That's a real thing. Oh, yeah, and that's what Google AI Studio could do, and a lot of the other Google tools that they released this past week. Anti-gravity. That's a powerful IDE. I mean, it's all free. I think right now with the preview, there's pretty much unlimited use. So yeah, check it out. Have fun, coding. It's a great time to be just a builder for software. Especially, you saw how I built this game. I didn't really dig into the code, but it's there for those. I recommend actually learning a little bit deeper, more than the superficial level. And I did want to show you guys also the bonus feature. I did build a 2D turkey runner. Here it is. So this is just another fun version of it. So it pretty much has the butterball feature and single the offs. Set the part in. This one you can stomp on the bricks. Obviously the code's much simpler. It's a one-pager. The tractors are tiny, darn it. But yeah, it's fun. We'll be planning on sharing this one as well. Hope everyone has a lovely Thanksgiving. Be safe out there if you're doing Black Friday shopping or anything. And yeah, let's think about our turkey friends. Maybe we could spare a turkey, and maybe eat more ham. But yeah, try out this game. Have fun. Appreciate if you guys show some love, and I'll be linking both games, the live games, and also the code in the description. Also, the links to all the Google tools. Yeah, it was fun making this. Oh, look at it go! If you enjoy this if you enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe. Let me know what you're building, and I'll see everybody next time. Thanks for watching.